Myself Harsachan. I have just passed class 12th and I got 95.8%. I am from science background. First of all, I am very grateful to our supportive teacher, Mr. Rahul sir, Managing Director of RC classes, and Mr. Ritesh sir, Maths faculty in our coaching, who share their experience, their knowledge and provide us proper guidance. They are the helping hands whose hard work made the journey successful. The study material provided in our coaching was really helpful for us. Proper sheets, proper notes, chapter wise test, half yearly test, division test, whatever we got in the coaching was proved to be very beneficiary for us. I want to suggest my juniors that read each and every topic carefully from the book which you prefer and collect maximum knowledge as you can. Complete your syllabus bit by bit every day, revise your syllabus every day. Attempt maximum question of the topic from the sheet as you can, because these are the selected questions of CBSE. The next thing, nothing is impossible. Everything needs a proper guidance, a proper strategy, dedication and discipline, and a good mentorship. Hope to have a successful journey further.
I am Akshay Baraisi, student of Asan Public School, Ghatampur, and take coaching in RC classes. I passed my class 12 from Asan Public School. I would like to thank my father Muhammad Yunus Qureshi, who is also a teacher, and our respected teachers Mr. Rahul Chauhan sir and Mr. Ritesh sir, who gives us best knowledge, proper guide and mentor us for our bright future. Now it's time to go ahead for our juniors. Some tip from my side: I am a math stream student, so special advice for our juniors that revise the numericals and formulas is very important. Well, weekly test in RC classes is great and helpful too. Marking and ranking of RC proves right in final board exam. According to CBSE, use of black ink is banned in exam copies, so don't use black. Keep focus on important topics and important questions. From these small tips, I wish you will achieve your goal.
Hello everyone, myself Anup Chand. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my parents and teachers, and especially the founder of RC classes, Mr. Rahul Chauhan sir and Ritesh sir, for always being there with me in every step of my life. They provided us a weekly chapter-wise test and complete syllabus test. The weekly chapter-wise test provided me a detailed analysis on my weakness and strength, and by working on my weakness I could convert them into my strength. And I would like to tell to all the CBSE aspirants to set their own goal from the beginning and learn to manage their own time and try to be consistent in performance by working hard from the very first day of session, and keep in mind that nothing is impossible if we are determined to achieve it. Now I want to share some tips for my juniors. First of all, NCERT is very helpful when it comes to building the basic concepts. Make proper notes of every chapter to revise it faster. Do previous year chapter wise questions for making your concept stronger. And at last I want to say your main focus is to remain focused.
Hi everyone, I am Anshika Misra. I recently passed class 12 with 91%, and I am so grateful to my parents, those are also teachers, and my teachers Mr. Rahul Chauhan sir and Mr. Ritesh sir, who provide us such a supporting and wonderful platform, the RC classes. I got regular test series, the doubt clearing sessions, and the chapter wise sheets of each and every chapter. I just want to say my juniors that we can definitely achieve our goals with a proper guidance and consistency. The most important thing is the proper and timely revision. So just do hard work with smart work and never procrastinate. At last, I just want to say best of luck to all my upcoming CBSE students, and stay focused, be motivated. Thanks.
Hi everyone, I am Alisha from Ghatampur. I recently got 88.4% in the board examination of class 12. I'm very thankful to my parents and thankful to Rahul sir. You have changed my whole aspect of learning. It is due to their dedication and sincerity that I got this percentage. And also I want to motivate and encourage to the current batch of CBSE class 12. Now as CBSE deducted about 30% syllabus, so it's an opportunity to the students to gear up and score well, and just focus on concepts, keep revising and make self notes, because जो notes हमें teachers provide करते हैं and जो notes हम बनाते हैं वो हमें exams में बहुत
I am Chris Malik and I have recently passed class 10 from CBSE board. I got 94.8% and I am especially very thankful to the founder of RC classes, Mr. Rahul Chauhan sir, for his guidance, and a special thanks to RC classes for providing such a great platform in which we analyze our performance by attending test series and sheets. And a special thanks to Ritesh sir for his guidance in mathematics. And in last, I would like to give some tips to my juniors. Firstly, try to be consistent from the first day of the session and ask out without any hesitation. Practice as much as possible numericals and math sums.
Solve NCERT exercises. It will be helpful for you, and if you do this, then hopefully you will achieve your goal. Thank you.
Hello students, myself Arjun Kumar, and recently I have passed my 10th class from CBSE board with 93.8%. First of all, I am very grateful to the founder of RC classes, Mr. Rahul Chauhan sir and Mr. Ritesh Pal sir, who provided their best platform to clear my all doubts and concepts. My coaching provided me chapter-wise sheets of every chapter, chapter-wise test, weekly test, and a series of tests, and that was really helpful. Now I want to suggest my juniors that read book carefully, point to point from which book you prefer, and make your self notes. Try to solve maximum math sums and numericals. Use NCERT because it focuses on word limit topics, and I hope you will achieve your goal one day.
Hello everyone, myself Sahil Kuswaha. I study in SN Public School, Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. I recently passed the examination of CBSE class 10th and I got 91.4% marks. That is good for me, and I am thankful to my parents and teachers that gives me guide, and I am also grateful to the founder of RC classes, Mr. Rahul Chauhan sir and Mr. Ritesh sir, that gives me best knowledge and best platform for study. And he always take test to check the performance of the student, and I always ask the question without hesitation, and he always tells better and better answer. And this is the time to perform junior, to focus on their studies and got good percentage. Make a timetable and study according to their timetable, and solve the math questions and take the science practically. Then you can learn more.
Sonu Singh, I recently passed class 10th by 91% mark. I study in Jawaharlal Nehru Vidyalaya, Kanpur Nagar. Now I want to thank my best teacher, Mr. Rahul Chauhan sir and Ritesh sir also, which provide me a nice platform of education named RC classes. Now I want to advise my juniors that NCERT books is very helpful for board preparation. RC classes notes, RC classes tip series also improve your knowledge. Read chapters from books carefully and make notes orderly, prepare them. If you will follow this, you will definitely get good marks in board exam. Thank you and have a great day.